Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Carrick, and in this channel you find anything, everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing, but let's get on with today's video. So, what is today's video even about? Well, you can probably guess from the title. I'm taking a small hiatus from YouTube and creating videos for the holidays. But let me explain more in a sec. So yes, I am going to be taking a break for the month. It's not really burnout or anything like that. It's actually kind of the opposite. I'm trying to kind of reformat the channel to kind of be, again, more streamlined, more engaging, and better. And I want the whole month to kind of think and kind of tackle that. Plus also my theater that I work in is kind of in a very busy state, especially with Spider-Man and all this other stuff coming out. Oh, it's gonna be so busy. So I'm trying to get work-life balance and also improve the channel while I'm gone. But during December, I hope you guys have a happy holidays. Hope you guys have amazing presents and whatnot, and you know, Christmas and other holidays spirit. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys have a happy new year as well. I'll see you in that new year, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and dream on.